This 2019 Winnebago Travato 59K is a Class B RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features a Mecca, Taupe, Macchiato HG interior, sleeps 2, DVD player, stovetop burner, oven, microwave, LP detector, water heater, auxiliary battery, awning, skylight, air conditioning, and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2019 Winnebago Travato 59K is built on a ProMaster chassis and is powered by a Pentastar engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.